PC tip for beginners. How to block any website on your Windows PC and laptop without using any software. Go and open your File Explorer. Then go to Local Disk C. Then look for the Windows folder. Now look for System32. Look for the Drivers folder. Then here, go click ETC folder. Right-click Hosts File and choose Open with Notepad++, or you can open it using Notepad. Then here, you need to type 127.0.0.1 space and then the website that you want to block. For this example, let's block YouTube. Type www.youtube.com, then hit Enter. Next type 127.0.0.1 space youtube.com. Then save this file by pressing Ctrl+S. Restart your PC, and this website will be blocked. Hit subscribe for more cool tips and tricks.